In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own GIF for Discord. So if you want to go and create your own GIF that you can send to people in your Discord servers, the first thing we need to do is just open up an internet browser and head over to the website GIPHY.com. Once you're on this website, click on login in the top right hand side, and you'll need to go and create a free account. You can also choose to log in with Facebook or Apple. Now, once you're signed in, click on Create in the top navigation, then click on GIF. Then from here, you can go and upload an image or a video file that you already have saved on your computer, and we can go and turn this into a GIF. You can also use URLs as well from any of these platforms such as YouTube, Vimeo, or GIPHY. So I'm just going to upload an image of this cat that I already have saved onto my computer. Now, if you're uploading a still image, you'll see here it will say this is a still image, and in order for it to be a GIF, you must apply some kind of animation. Now, you can do that by adding either a filter or a sticker to your GIF. So I'm just going to add a sticker like this. And as you can see, this image is now moving. You can also do things as well, like add text to your GIF. So I'm just going to type in, "Hi, I'm a cat." And you can obviously change all the styling and colors and things like that. And then I'm going to click on the plus icon to add this text. Now, once you've finished creating your GIF, scroll down and click on Continue to Upload, and then go and select Upload to GIPHY. Once you've uploaded this, click on Copy Link, and then head back over to your Discord server, and you can now go and paste in this URL, and as you can see, it will automatically convert this into a GIF. Once you've sent your GIF, you can click on Add to Favorites, and then if you click on the GIF icon, click on Favorites, you'll then be able to reuse this GIF straight from Discord. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.